Chevrolet Equinox 2.4 engine 2010 to 2017 NOx sensor wiring diagram. How you can see, the NOx sensor pin number 1 dark blue wire go to the pin 36, pin number 2 gray wire go to the pin 56. On the left side you can see the connector pin out, at the bottom the pin number 1, on top pins number 16, at the bottom pin 17, and on top pin 32. So this engine control module have three different connectors, blue, gray and black. So you need to find the black one, and then you need to find the pin number 36 and 56, and then you can check the resistance, you can check the continuity. This wiring diagram is very helpful when you replace the part, or before you replace the part, and actually after, if you do it yourself, you replace the part and the problem is still there. So in this case you need to check the wires. Looks like it's a wiring issue. So thanks for watching and have a good day.